Video editing is a skill that is extremely important if you want to make your videos go viral. And in this video, I'm going to uncover the Editing Master Series for Alight Motion Mobile. Yes, basically this is a mobile app, but with this, you can also do crazy level editing just like on a PC. It doesn't matter whether you have ever used Alight Motion before or not. To do this kind of editing, your base must be strong. If your basics are not strong, you will never be able to do this kind of editing. So we will go from the basics to the conqueror level editing, meaning you will become such a pro that just by looking at any video, you'll be able to easily understand how it was edited. By the end of this Editing Master Series, you will go from a noob to a master. This type of course is not available anywhere on the entire internet, so take it for free and make the most out of it. Welcome to the first episode of the Editing Master Series in mobile. We won't waste time on useless talks. We'll only learn the things that are actually useful for us. If you have no idea about Alight Motion, then just understand this. After Effects is a PC editing software, and Alight Motion is a mobile app. Meaning, whatever you can do in After Effects, you can also do in Alight Motion. Yes, this app is available on the Play Store, but if you want a better version, then join my Telegram. You'll find a lot more stuff there too. Let's start with the basics now. Once you open Alight Motion, 5 buttons on the interface: Home, Tutorials, Plus, Projects, and Templates. Home, it's just the main page, nothing special. Tutorials. You'll find small tutorials about the app here, but you don't need them because I'm already making tutorials for you. Projects. All your saved projects will appear here. You'll find some preset templates here. There's only one really useful thing here. XML files. Think of XML files as your lifesaver button. For example, you create a project and want to send it to another device. You can simply export your project as an XML file and send it to another mobile. Then, on the second mobile, you just upload that XML file and your friend can edit the exact same video. Now let's get to the main thing, the plus button. When you click the plus button, first, you need to give your project a name. It can be anything, up to you. The ratio option, 16:9. Standard video ratio, reel ratio, for Instagram or TikTok reel. Custom ratio, you can set your own. After that comes resolution. You can set it to whatever you want, but I suggest keeping it at 1080p for the best quality. Next is the frame rate. Normally, keep it at 30 frames per second. But if you're making a highly dynamic video with a lot of effects, then you can set it to 60 frames per second for smoother motion. Then, set your background color according to your choice. Click Create Project, and boom, your editing battlefield is ready. Alight Motion Interface Breakdown. You'll now see 3 main sections. 1. Preview screen, where your project plays. Control buttons. Tools and functions. 3. Timeline, where you manage all your layers in editing. Now in the timeline, you'll also see a plus icon. When you click it, a lot of options appear. Don't panic. Here's what they mean. Shapes. Add shapes like rectangles, circles, etc. Media. Import videos or photos from your gallery. Audio. Import your music or sound effects. Text. Add text to your video. The rest of the options aren't needed right now. We'll cover them later. Adding a shape. Let's add a rectangle for now. After adding it, you'll see more options appear. Alight Motion's interface is very simple and easy to understand. 1. Move and transform. Here you can move the rectangle's position by dragging your rotation. Rotate the shape. Scale. Increase or decrease its size. The 4th option isn't needed right now. 2. Color and fill. Here you can change the color or apply gradient. 3. Border and shadow. Add outlines, borders, and shadows to your shapes. 4. Blending and opacity. Adjust the opacity of your shape. Apply basic filters if needed. 5. Effects tab. This is where you'll find tons of effects. We'll cover this in a dedicated video later. Second section. Quick controls. Here you'll find undo. Go back 1 step. Redo. Move forward 1 step. Layer arrows. Move a layer up or down. Play button. Preview your project. There's also a weird looking button. When you click it, you'll get more options. Select all layers. Select every layer at once. Duplicate layer. Copy the layer. Save as preset. Save your customized layer for future projects. Copy layer / paste layer. Self-explanatory. Paste style. Only paste effects or position without copying the full layer. 3-dot menu. Here, you'll find even more useful options. Flip layer. Flip vertically or horizontally. Stretch the composition area. Fit the layer to your video area. Creating a basic animation. Now, let's create a simple animation. 1. Go to Move and Transform. 2. Move the rectangle to the left side. Click the small diamond icon. This is a keyframe. 4. Move the playhead a little forward, for example, to the 2-second mark. 5. Move the rectangle to the right side. A new keyframe will automatically be added. Now, when you play the video, the rectangle moves smoothly from left to right. This is your basic animation.